Hey guys, what's up? RBDN here, and today we're in episode 2 and we're unboxing the Vortex RGB cooling stand. So let's begin the unboxing. Okay. Oh my. Okay, now I think. Oh my gosh, let's get this out of here. Okay, now. Why? I love it. I just love. Sorry. I just love it. Wait a minute. Fancy. Fancy manual. Now we need to get this out of the way and put this on the table. Oh my gosh. It has a really big fan in it. Look at this. This is so cool. And there's the cable for it. So fancy, like the cable. So fancy, like wow. Okay, let me set this up and show you the result. And this is my old used cooler, like this was my mom's cooler, so I got this for my laptop. Yeah, it's not the best. And this is And this is my new cooler. It has RGB. I can't open it now. It has like the fan speed. It's so cool. Just so cool. Okay guys, that was it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in episode 3. Bye guys.